Yep, box squirrel corn maze. Popcorn. Probably all kinds of flavors. Go here and have a seat over here. Ooh, they got cows. Let's go check out the cows. Let's go over and see how they make kettle corn. That should be kind of cool. Let's go check it out, guys.
How are you, sir?
Good. Can I watch this?
Yep.
This is how they make kettle corn.
Whenever it starts popping up, I'm just going to have you step back a little.
Yeah, I got it on Zoom.
It'll burn you. Yeah, you can go down in there if you want right now.
That's how they make kettle corn, guys.
Kettle, Lakeland, Florida. I'm in Plant City right now. Out of Lakeland. There you are? Step over there and get it.
Oh, no problem. Which way you dump? That way?
Over here,
okay.
Yep. Into the bin.
Wow, that's so cool, guys. Check that out. Well, popcorn better than I do in the microwave.
There it is.
Cool. And where are you guys from again?
Lakeland, Florida, the Family Kettle.
The Family Kettle, guys. This is called a Family Kettle. There you go, familykettle.com, guys. Thank you.
This is flossing. This is how we make the flavors. We do strawberry, apple. We can do any flavor in the book.
So it's the same thing they use for cotton candy?
Same thing for cotton candy. You mix it in when the sugar.
And how long you been doing this?
Myself, 5-6 years. My father-in-law started it in 2007. So.
And that's when you guys been doing. Wow, that's
basically,
so it's a family business.
It's the family business.
Oh, that's
right
awesome,
here.
guys. There you go, guys.
Yep. We just do events and stuff locally, and then.
Can you order online?
You can order online. What we're gonna do is probably subscription based.
And shirts.
So you'll.
Look, they got shirts, guys. They got shirts too.
For $15.
This is the original owner.
Yep, that's the owner right there.